Good morning, everyone. I'm so excited to bring you our daily calendar review. So today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020, and we are going to find out what calendar piece we are going to use today. So yesterday we had a flower. So going up to my core here, what do you think is going to come next? Did you say rain cloud? That's correct. So after the flower comes a rain cloud in our pattern. Remember, patterns repeat, so we have to think about what's going to come next. All right, so we are going to do, say what today is. So let's do that together. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Oh, you did such an excellent job saying the date today. Awesome. And if today is the 16th, the day before is the 15th. Good. And then the day after is the 17th. Good job, boys and girls. All right, let's say this together. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. All right, I'm looking forward to it. Let's go ahead and get ready for our daily spiral review. Okay. Well, you're getting your things out. Why don't you figure out what the tails of this coin is? Alrighty, boys and girls, and if you said this was a dime, you are correct. So I know it's a dime because it has some leaves and a torch on it. So the back, and it even says 1 dime. Let's go ahead for our next question. Today we have another number bond question. So today our whole is 5 and one of our parts is 1. What is the other part? So 1 and blank is 5. So what is that missing part? Boys and girls, get your number bond down on your paper and fill in that missing part. All right, we are ready to find our missing part. So if you don't know what 1 and 5 is, I'm going to go ahead and draw a picture. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. And I'm going to take 1 away because this is it. Then how many am I left with? 4. So 1 and 4 is 5. Awesome. Moving on to our next question. What is 1 more than the set below? So you're going to go ahead and count how many rainbows you see, and then you are going to tell me what is 1 more than that. All right, boys and girls, I'm back. Let's go ahead and do some counting. So I'm going to count each of my rainbows. I want you to count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there were 17 rainbows. Now I need to find out what 1 more than 17 is. 1 more than 17 is 18. So the correct answer is 18. All right, and here's our final question for today. Let's see if you remember my trick from yesterday in figuring out how many you see on these 2 tens frames. All right, I am back. Okay, so let's see. I know that this here is how many? 10. So I'm going to start with 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have 18 on my tens frames. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's calendar review. I love you, I miss you, and I can't wait to be together soon.